So guys, we are on the Airbus 330 and 330 we will see the engine menu today like the Fadec menu. So we will press the system report test. And system report test, you can see the various tests as per chapter now it's coming. High avionics band, cabin temperature, all those things are there. We have to press the next page. So next page, then we see some other menu for other chapters like chapter 24, chapter 26, chapter 27. Then we go further, chapter 29, chapter 30, chapter 31. Then next page, now we are on chapter 32, chapter 34. After that, now we are on the like other chapters. And finally, we are on the chapter 70 to 80, where we have different tests. And you can see vibrations. We have the interface, Fadec, engines, start ignition, indicating, reverser, and thrust control. So whenever you press any like key here, you will be reaching to the page. Okay, so suppose I will be pressing the vibration. So I will be having the first page where you can see the EIMU1 and EIMU. Oh, so that we can see here vibration monitoring unit engine. So that is there for page 1 by 2. There is a second page. By next page we will go to the channel A, channel B. This menu will go. If we now I will come back. If I press some other menu like I will be pressing the start ignition. So then also I will be reaching to the page number 2, the same page 2 by 2 where we have this test. If I press the reverser, again I am reaching to the page number 2. So now we want to do the Fadec test. So for the Fadec, we have the, when I press the Fadec key and once my Fadec switch is on, so channel A will be like getting. So in the channel A menu, you can see we have the test here. We have all these ground INR identification, ground scanning, all those things are there. And then we have a system test. System test is the Fadec test, like is doing the electrical test of the EC. Then we can do the engine test. Do the engine test, we will see what tests are available. So the tests available are the igniter test, VSP, variable state turbine test, thrust reverser test, probe heat test, engine running test. And the second page is there. So in the second page, we can do the EMCD test. That's the engine magnetic chip detector test. So these tests are available in the engine test menu. In return, when we take the return, then we can have here the more we have the motoring report. You can have when you do the some like motoring, and then we can like the report will be generated. So when we want to do like some hydraulic leak and other things from the hydraulic components, we do the motoring test. Okay, and then we have like ground report. So ground report is once we are doing the ground scanning, and if we get some fault, and then we will be checking the ground report. Okay, and now we have the specific data. When we press the specific data key, so we have some like reset. You can reset the icing alarm. You can do the previous class 3 fault. EC configuration we check. So hardware, software, part number, and other things will be there. And we have the EGT exceedance also. So EGT EC configuration when we press. So we have like engine serial number, station. Okay, so this will be there. Okay, then we have the rating. We have the fan stall index, EPER, trim, so N1 trim and all these values we can see that the low, high, idle are trim. So any trim related information will be available here. We return it, and then we have the like EGT exceedance. So suppose you have any exceedance, then you come to this page, you press this, and you will get a summary of this EGT exceedance. If, what are the values and for how long it is. So we have the 3 pages here. So we can like in all the pages we have a different time and this. So EGT exceedance was happened. What was the value will be shown in the dashes. So and then we have the aircraft registration number. You have the UTC. We'll go to the next page. So I have that other data. Just like we have some other values are there. So like 3 pages are there where you can see all these values. So this is the A330 Fadec menu for your like just I try to explain. So we have this is the one test. So I'm now taking the return and return.